everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, Oregon's Ann. Today is a super cold, blustery snow day, and I was thinking that this would be a perfect day to make soup. So I decided to make my mom's super easy bean soup. I already had all the ingredients, and so yeah, I just thought it would be perfect. That was one thing I can always count on with my mom, is that she would have a delicious pot of soup on the stove whenever it was chilly outside. So I hope you enjoy watching. These are the ingredients. We're going to have onions, celery, carrots, soup, bay leaf, and chicken broth. The first thing I'm going to do is chop the onions, carrots, and celery. I'm going to use about 1.5 cups of each. So now I'm going to add 32 ounces of chicken broth to the pot. And then I will add the veggies. And now I'm going to add 1 bay leaf. So now I'm going to put the crock pot on high and cook it for a couple hours until the vegetables are tender. After this, I pull the bay leaf out and then transfer the liquid to I use my Vitamix. You can just use your regular blender and just blend it up until it's nice and smooth. You might want it a little chunkier, you might want it a little smoother, it's just depending on how you like it. And then it gets added back to the pot, and this is when you add in your bean soup. And like I said, I had 3 cans of this bean soup, bean and ham. So yummy. I love bean and ham soup. And then my mom always added a vinegar-based hot sauce. I'm going to use Frank's Red Hot. It tastes really good. And then replace the lid and then let it get really hot and steamy. You could add more chicken broth if you like your soup more soupy, or less if you like it to be more like a bean stew. You could also add chunks of ham, and that would be delicious as well. I like to add a dollop of sour cream and give it more of a creamy texture. And now I'll have a nice hot bowl of soup and watch the snow come down. I love snowy days. Thanks for watching, friends, and I hope you will consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And until next time, bye for now.